What's up guys, welcome back. Today guys we have cool update on Discord. It's gifting champions badge, how to get it and how to own it. Also guys, we have 2 weeks of free Discord Nitro. All you need to do, just like this video and share this video with your friends. Okay guys, all you need to do to get this cool badge that arrived today on my profile, it's gifting champion badge. How to get it and what is it? Okay, when you open here Discord official site, you will see this. Just move here to this site and scroll here down to profile badges and you will see it's update 2 hours ago, and down you have important experiment update. It's this cool Discord badges. As you can see, gifting badges currently experiment available to selected users. Every gift you send counts toward your badge and it level up more you gift Nitro. As you can see, send gift and earn profile badge that evolves as you give. If you gift one Discord Nitro, you will get this patron gifted, this blue badge. If you gift like me 2 times, you will get this champion badge. It look like this. I think this is cool update to share love with Discord Nitro. Also, if you gift 3 times or if you gifted 20 times, you will get this vidIQ legend badge. It's easy, just gift Nitro to your friends and you will get this badge. Remember, it's experiment version. And that's it cool about this cool badge, how to get it and how to own it. To make your Discord profile look cooler. After you claim this all, just type me comments if you have any questions. We move now to 2 weeks free Discord Nitro. Just move here to Nitro home and you will see try 2 weeks for $0. Just click here try 2 weeks for free, click on it and go here monthly. Complete checkout on your browser, log in on your PayPal or credit card and get Discord Nitro for 2 weeks. After you connect your payment method, just go here next, fill this info and go next. And you will see get Nitro monthly, click on it, 2 weeks for free. Enjoy your Nitro. If you see this invalid payment, I think you need $1 to get this promo phase 2 weeks free Discord Nitro. This is the only deal. Discord do this all time to verify you are real users. And that's it all guys for this cool updates, 2 weeks Discord Nitro and cool custom badge on your Discord profile. Claim this, hurry up and enjoy you playing. And that's it all guys for this cool update. If you love this video, share with your friends and I see you in the next video and bye guys.